You sneeze, someone says, bless you, you say thanks. Nobody thinks twice, but you just completed a 500-year-old death ritual and nobody told you. Ancient people genuinely believed a sneeze could shoot your soul straight out of your body, like your soul just yeets itself through your nose. So, bless you was basically a spiritual catch, grabbing your soul before it escaped. Then the plague showed up, and the sneeze wasn't just soul business anymore. It was often the first symptom before you dropped dead. So the Pope made it an actual rule. Say, God bless you, every sneeze. No exceptions. So next time someone blesses you in a meeting, they're not being polite. They're running a medieval emergency protocol. You're welcome.